I'm Kelly Chemnitz with Reese Nichols, South Central Kansas. Welcome to the virtual open house of my listing at 1431 West Chaumont Circle in Chateau in Andover. This home was built by Bob Brown in 2003. It's only had 2 owners. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car side-load garage that backs to a commons area with a walking path and a winding stream and pond. The neighborhood Chateau is a picturesque neighborhood that's very quaint. It has 1 entrance and 38 home sites, and it was designed by Bob. He had a vision of recreating a village in France. And if you've never been to the neighborhood, it's extremely quaint and picturesque and beautiful. The houses have high-pitched roofs, side-load garages, lots of brick and stone and timbers on the front facades, and the landscaping is exceptional. When I think of what differentiates this home from the competition, what I think of is you walk into a solid wood front door, a gracious foyer. You see hardwoods throughout the main living areas. You have a vaulted ceiling in a great room. There's a formal dining room plus a nice sized eating kitchen. I think about the big bedrooms, built-ins, generous closet space. And I think about the big wood trim that you won't see in a lot of other homes. So for me, it evokes the feeling of an older home with the amenities of a newer home. I think about a beautiful, beautiful patio that has nice space from the neighbors and overlooks the stream. Now that you've seen the house, let's talk about Chateau. I can speak from the heart when I talk about this neighborhood because I actually lived here for 8 years, and it was one of the most wonderful communities that I've ever been a part of. The neighborhood has a 2-story clubhouse that looks like the houses. The clubhouse has windows in the back that overlook the swimming pool, and then you have a playground sitting in sand, and it all sits next to a pond and backs to trees. So it's beautiful and quaint and the perfect place to host a party or a gathering. The ambiance continues throughout the neighborhood with wood bridges, a winding brook, 2 ponds, a water feature, and antique lampposts that truly take you back to days of old. And one of the best things about this house is no specials.